Hi everybody, welcome to Standoff 2, and I'm playing another new mode called Sniper Duel. Well, for me, I'm not a big fan of snipers, so I do not know how to use them while the enemies are moving. So what I'm gonna do is I'll try to kill any enemy using the sniper when I actually you get used to it. So let's start. You already know that there's the description down there say that you only got M40 rifle. The mode has lower gravitation. So like, I can apologize to you that I do not know how to use a sniper. Wait, what? Hello? Wait, what? No? Okay, yeah, there we go. I'm gonna exit this game. I'm gonna play it in the next round. Yes. As you can see that I'm using my data for some reasons. Okay, then let's start a new game again. This time is another map. So let's hope that we don't get any problems during playing. And I hope you like this video, guys. Okay. I'm gonna go up here. Try to shoot from here. I'm not really good at using sniper though. I'm not quite good at using sniper, so wait, what? I'm gonna use a knife. Wait, whoa. They got a bayonet. Wait, no. They literally got a bayonet. Yes! Take that. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, I got an assist. I'm just trying to just... Yo! Loop! Kaboopy. Yes! What? Not you again. I hate China people. Oh gosh, you got a knife. Well, I got a knife too. Come at me. Oh gosh. Are they pros? I don't know. It's Sniper Duel. Yes. There we go. What? I missed that. What? Can I actually miss that? Yes. Nope, I missed the transition. Whoa. Oh shit. Yes. I got killed by Rise Up. Oh my gosh. Just got a knife. Knife you. Woo! Stand back. Holy. Yes. I got knifed by a Chinese person. They're spawn camping. What? They're freaking spawn camping. Oops. Gotta get out of there. Whoa. Holy. I got knifed. Yes. But I still did. Oh my god. Oh my god. They're spawn campers. Ah. They're overtaking. Yeah. Knife him, yes. We got him. Yep. 54 to 73. We got this. Woo! I'm with 1 health left. Oh my god. Samuel! Why? Oh my gosh. They're running. Got killed. How is it so hard? How is it so hard to use a sniper? Why? Yep, I knew it. We lost. We lost. We lost. Finally, I got a Furious box. Okay, yeah. I'm just gonna play 1 round for this only. Nothing new, guys. If you like this video, guys, let's make this to 100 views, and I'll make another video with my friends, guys. Can we make this video to 100 views and likes, guys? Okay, I'm gonna open this chest. Wish me luck, guys. Ooh. Wow. I like how this looks like. Look at that, guys. It's one of the Furious collections. Go with face set. Alright. I'm gonna equip that too. And my M16. So guys, hope you like this video, guys. Thank you all so much for watching this video. As me and Albin will see you in the next video.